Earth's fiery spectacles, volcanoes, are a breathtaking display of our planet's raw power. They are windows into the fiery heart of our world. For centuries, these geological marvels have captivated and terrified humanity in equal measure. Volcanoes are not random acts of destruction, they are a vital part of our planet's dynamic system. They shape continents, create new land, and influence our atmosphere. From the slow, oozing lava flows of Hawaii to the explosive eruptions of Vesuvius, volcanoes come in many forms. Each type of volcano tells a unique story about the forces that shape our world. Join me as we journey to the center of these fiery giants. We'll uncover the science behind their formation, explore their diverse types, and delve into their profound impact on our planet. To understand volcanoes, we must first look beneath Earth's surface. Our planet's outer layer, the lithosphere, is broken into giant pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are in constant motion, drifting slowly atop the Earth's mantle. Most volcanoes form at the boundaries of these tectonic plates. Where plates collide, one plate can slide beneath the other, a process known as subduction. The immense heat and pressure melt the descending rock, forming magma. This molten rock, less dense than its surroundings, rises to the surface, creating volcanoes. Volcanoes can also arise far from plate boundaries over hot spots. These are areas where plumes of unusually hot magma rise from deep within the mantle. Not all volcanoes are created equal. They vary dramatically in shape, size, and eruptive style. These differences stem from the composition of their magma and the tectonic environment in which they form. Shield volcanoes like those found in Hawaii are broad, gently sloping giants. They are formed by eruptions of fluid, basaltic lava that flows easily over long distances. These eruptions are generally effusive, characterized by slow, steady outpourings of lava. Composite volcanoes, also known as stratovolcanoes, are the classic cone-shaped mountains we often picture when we think of volcanoes. They are formed by alternating layers of lava flows and pyroclastic material, a mixture of ash, rock fragments, and volcanic gases. Composite volcanoes are known for their explosive eruptions, which can be highly destructive. Cinder cone volcanoes are the smallest and simplest type of volcano. They are built from ejected lava fragments that solidify in the air and fall back around the vent, forming a cone-shaped hill. Cinder cones typically have short lifespans and erupt only once. Section 4. Volcanic Fury, Impacts on Earth and Humanity. Volcanic eruptions are awe-inspiring events, but they can also have devastating consequences. The immediate impacts include lava flows, pyroclastic flows, ashfall, and volcanic gases. Lava flows, while destructive to property, rarely pose a direct threat to human life as they move relatively slowly. Pyroclastic flows, on the other hand, are fast-moving avalanches of hot gas, ash, and rock fragments that can travel at speeds of over 100 miles per hour, incinerating everything in their path. Ashfall can blanket vast areas, disrupting transportation, damaging crops, and contaminating water supplies. Volcanic gases, including sulfur dioxide, can react with atmospheric water vapor to form volcanic smog, or VOG, which can cause respiratory problems and acid rain. Beyond these immediate impacts, volcanic eruptions can have long-term effects on Earth's climate. Large eruptions can inject massive amounts of sulfur dioxide into the stratosphere, where it forms sulfate aerosols that reflect sunlight back into space, leading to global cooling. Section 5. Legendary Volcanoes, Stories of Destruction and Creation. Throughout history, volcanoes have left an indelible mark on human civilization. From the eruption of Mount Vesuvius that buried Pompeii to the 1883 eruption of Krakatoa that circled the globe, volcanoes have inspired both awe and terror. Mount Vesuvius, overlooking the Bay of Naples in Italy, is perhaps the most famous volcano in history. Its eruption in 79 AD buried the Roman cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum under meters of ash and pumice, preserving them in an eerie time capsule. Krakatoa, a volcanic island in Indonesia, erupted in 1883 with such force that it was heard thousands of miles away. The eruption triggered tsunamis that killed tens of thousands of people and plunged the region into darkness. Mount St. Helens, located in Washington State, USA, erupted in 1980, demonstrating the destructive power of volcanic landslides and lateral blasts. The eruption, the deadliest and most economically destructive volcanic event in U.S. history, served as a stark reminder of the importance of volcano monitoring and hazard mitigation. Section 6. Understanding volcanoes, a key to our planet's past, present, and future. Volcanoes are not just destructive forces, they are also essential to life on Earth. They played a crucial role in forming our planet's atmosphere and oceans. Today, they continue to shape our landscapes, enrich soils, and provide geothermal energy. Studying volcanoes allows us to peer into Earth's interior and understand the processes that drive our planet. By monitoring volcanic activity, we can better predict eruptions and mitigate their impacts on human populations. As we continue to explore our planet and beyond, the lessons we learn from volcanoes will undoubtedly prove invaluable. They remind us of the immense power of nature and the importance of respecting the delicate balance of our planet.